Hey guys, 828 Find Adventure. Let's talk storage for a moment. Specifically, storage of the Badlands off-road jack. This is something I've got. It's kind of bulky. I would like to take it with me because when I go to places because it's handy. Oh my god, if I had to change a flat on this, it would be so easy using that off-road jack. So that's why I carry it. And I've got plenty of room. So let's talk storage and how I did it. So I've had this jack right here just strapped in the back of my truck, trying to keep it from rolling around or whatever, but I had it strapped in good. It wouldn't go anywhere. If I was to roll the truck, it wouldn't go flying and bash through a window and hit us. I had it tied down good. Well, I was looking for something that would kind of store it, kind of a box or something, or I looked at some things that kind of are made of aluminum and they work as wheel chocks. Well, I found a box. It's a perfect fit, and I want to show that to you and show you a few things about that box. I'll put a link under the video in the description. This box is great. I looked at others. They're more expensive. You know, this is made by a big company, and let's check it out. Okay, so what I've got here, this is a Plano. I think that's how you pronounce it. I used to have their tackle boxes when I was a kid. This is a Plano box. It's got 4 buckles, 2 on each side. It's got a place to put padlocks if you need to. They're calling these little things tie-down straps. They really don't have a way to, let's say, feed a strap into it, or I guess you'd have to tie it around it. I'm probably gonna make some type of hooks to hook down just so I can secure it even more. But being in this, I'm really not gonna have to worry about it. Another feature of this box, now, it is water resistant. Now, if you wanted to make this waterproof, you could put a gasket right through here. I don't think one would stay here. It'd probably just fall off. So you could do that to make it more waterproof, but that's up to you. Also, as you can see, it has wheels. Of course, this is made of the Plano type plastic. It does have some move to it, but when you put the lid on, it's very rigid. Let's look at the bottom. This is the, there you go, as you can see that's the bottom. It's reinforced. It has these, I guess these make it, I don't know, maybe if water gets in it, it'll put the water in the lower parts, so it'll keep it off your stuff. You can see the wheels down there. They're solid. They're just a solid plastic wheel. I don't think there's any, and there's no bearings. It's just a pin like they put on most of the gun boxes that have wheels. So, like I said about tie downs, these aren't really tie downs. I'm probably going to have to figure something out if I want to tie this down, because these, I guess you could do it with paracord or something, but you couldn't do it with a ratchet strap or one of those cam buckles that I use, cam buckle straps. So the lid goes on really easy. Like I said, you got 4 buckles. Hold it down tight. You got 2 handles on each side, so you can pick it up like that. Show you, these are the wheels again. Again, it's got these on both sides. You could use some sort of paracord or something to tie it to a cargo rack or whatever. But I'm going to figure out another way to, bolt some type of little ring so I can put a cam buckle strap through it, if I need to. I don't need to right now. So let me show you the other thing that's great about this. So check that out. I can stand on it. So, it'll support my weight. It's got a little bit of flex to it, but it's supporting my weight. And this is great if I'm camping and I want to use it to step into the back of the truck. It's perfect for that. So I can just unload it, put it right here, and I've got an extra step to get in the back of the truck. Okay, let's check this out and see how I'm going to do it. First, I'm going to take this lid off. I've got it sitting here, it's stable. I'm going to go ahead and lower the jack all the way down. Tighten that up. Yeah, and be sure and check out my video on this Badlands jack. It is awesome. I'm going to break these poles down, just like that. Okay. Now I have this jack here. Now, one thing I want to tell you, if you're going to put the jack in this box, put the heavy end where the wheels are, just like that. So this part here is the heavy end, and just put that right there. So look at that. Papa, I'm gonna put these in like this. And always, folks, lift with your legs. Just like doing a deadlift. Legs. Use your legs. So here it is. I don't have much room here to navigate, but I'm going to show you. Just like that. You can see it there in the back with all my other junk. But there it is. And it's nice, and I can use it to stand on to get in the truck if I need to. So that's pretty cool. So tell me what you think of this Plano box. I mean, it's great storage for the jack. I can stand on it. I think it works pretty good. Again, I'll put a link under the video. You can check it out. I did my research, and I came up with all kinds of boxes. A lot of them weren't on Amazon, and they were expensive, made by different companies. They might have different uses, but this one fit the measurements I was looking for exactly for the Harbor Freight Badlands off-road jack. And if you haven't seen my video on the jack, go check it out. That's an awesome jack. It is so awesome. I can use it for my cars, trucks, whatever. So anyways, go check out that box. Tell me what you think in the comments. I'd like to hear your opinions. I could buy Pelican stuff if I wanted to, but I just think that's, just to have a box for something to sit in. If I'm not shipping it across the country or across the ocean, I don't think there's any need for that. So anyways, tell me what you think. And, if you would, please subscribe, hit that thumbs up button. I'd really appreciate it. Check out some of my other videos. I've got tons of videos on the Tundra build. So I will see you next time. See ya.